Hey guys and gals, what's crack-a-lackin'? Spicy here. Welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. I'm out here in the pig pen today. Got to do a little bit of work. My little pig stall, I got to get it ready for my pig to have babies. Today that I'm filming this, it's July 20th, and sometime around now is when we estimated my pig to have babies. I mean, she is getting fat. Now, we could be feeding her good. She could be fattening up, but that belly is the belly's definitely gotten a little bit bigger around. So I've read that you know, they need to have something to start doing a little bit of nesting in. And I went to Tractor Supply and I got this bale of straw, and I'm gonna put this underneath her little canopy porch type deal that I got going on for her. I had another side on here, but she tore it down. She didn't like that, so I left it off. So she just has two sides, but it keeps the sun off of her. She can come here during the day. She's got a nice little burrow dug out for her to lay in, and she has plenty of shade all out through the day. So I'm gonna get this straw bale opened up and spread out through there, so you know, whenever it's time for her to start doing a little nest for the babies, she has it in there to do that. Alright, let me get this spread out and I'll be right back with you. Alrighty, so I got it over there. She's over here checking it out now. I got it all spread out. She may eat some of it. That's the first time she's had any kind of straw or hay in there. So she's going to check it out. Hopefully she'll spread it around, maybe make a nest. Alright, so that's it. Got that in there. We'll keep an eye on it. I'll keep you updated on what she does. I got this bale of straw at Tractor Supply. I think I paid $12 for it. A pretty good amount. I mean, it covered way more than what I thought it was going to cover. Now, I know you're probably saying, you know, you could probably find one of those square bales of hay for about $5, but I've done some research and I've done some reading, and the straw is a little bit softer. It's more for like bedding up for animals. So that's why I decided to get the straw instead of getting a bale of hay. And we will see how she does with it. Like I said, she may eat some of it, but she may use some of it for a bedding. You seen in there, she kind of had it burrowed out. That's where she lays during the day when she's not over here laying in the little mud hole that she's got. But that's it. I'm expecting little bacon bits to pop out anytime soon, so we'll be keep an eye on that. And as soon as that happens, man, I can't wait to start making some videos on that. But yeah, this is just some of the stuff that I've been reading and got to do and take care of. It's hot out here. Oh man, it's hot. But y'all keep y'all's fingers crossed. I think everything should work out pretty fine. I mean, that is a healthy pig. If I've ever seen a healthy pig, that's one right there. Miss Piggy. Oh, Miss Piggy. Is that some good food, Miss Piggy? Alright guys and gals, that's all I got for you today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give this thing a thumbs up. Those things are awesome, helps me out. Hey, if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, right above me, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any other videos. If you want to check out a few more videos, 2 more will pop up over here on the side. Check those out and stick around for more videos. I'll see y'all in the next one. Until then, remember, everybody's got a little backwoods in them. I'll catch you later.